Good morning, guys. It's a wonderful morning, and I know it's gonna be a wonderful day. Daily Sports Theory is back here today to give you today's prediction as usual. As you all know, we are back here today to give you today's prediction. We promise to give you all the short games. We are back here on this channel to give you today's predictions. As usual, there are many games listed for today's predictions. We assure you that we'll be giving you 2.50 odd above. We'll be giving you 2.50 odd above for today's predictions. Let's proceed with today's predictions. Firstly, we'll be taking Romania. Romania today's predictions. We'll be giving Romania today's predictions. We'll be giving Romania home to UP. Romania home to UP. Let's proceed with more predictions. Let's proceed with more predictions as usual. Okay, nextly, we'll be taking Iran. We'll be giving Iran home straight win. Iran home straight win as usual. Republic of Korea. We'll be giving Republic of Korea home straight win. Republic of Korea home straight win. Japan. We'll be giving Japan home straight win. Japan home straight win. Okay, let's proceed. Let's go over to Netherlands. Okay, Netherlands. We'll be giving Netherlands in today's predictions. Netherlands will be giving Netherlands over 2.5. We'll be giving Netherlands over 2.5. Okay, guys, as usual, we told you that we'll be giving you 2.50 odd above. So in today's predictions, we only have 2.73 odds for today's predictions. We have 5 games listed for today's predictions. These are the only 5 games for today's predictions. Romania home to UP, Iran home win, Republic of Korea home win, Japan home win, Netherlands over 2.5. So these 5 games are the most best 5 games for today's predictions. Our analyzers have checked these games so well that they are the best games listed today. So please, if you're watching this video right now, do well to subscribe to this channel. Click on that icon bell so that you'll be the first to receive our videos once we upload all these. Because we are going to be giving you all the short games here in this channel. Please, if you love what we are doing and what we are doing is you are gaining it, to appreciate us, please just subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and stay safe.